In this video, you will learn the passing and neighboring non-chordal tones. All tones are either chordal or non-chordal. There are many types of non-chordal tones. They are defined by the way they are approached and left. 3 notes are needed to define a non-chordal tone: the tone itself, the note before, and the note after. As you meet each non-chordal type, learn it as the middle note of a 3-note pattern. All non-chordal tone types except one are shorter than the chord to which they relate. The passing tone. A passing tone is approached by step and left by step in the same direction. It is part of a scale segment. The scale segment may ascend or descend, but it must be a scale, no skips. Passing tones, like other non-chordal tones, may occur in any voice. The chord tones on either side of the passing tone must be a third apart. Because of this, it is not possible to use passing tones everywhere. Here is a chord progression. We can put a passing tone in the bass, in the alto, in the bass, in the soprano, and in the tenor. In the 5-7-1 progression, there is no room for a passing tone because voices move by step in the soprano and in the tenor, and the bass moves a fourth. Here's where it sounds without passing tones. Here's where it sounds with passing tones. It makes it much more interesting and much more alive rhythmically. Passing tones greatly increase the opportunities for parallel fifths and octaves. Passing tones make more parallels. They do not cover up any. By using passing tones in this progression, it creates parallel problems. A parallel fifth, a parallel fifth, a parallel fifth, oh, a parallel fifth and a parallel octave here, and a parallel fifth here. The next non-chordal tone is the neighboring tone. The neighboring tone is approached by step and is left by step in the opposite direction. The neighboring tone has the same note before and after itself. It may be used anywhere there is a common tone. There is always a choice between upper and lower neighbors. Listen to both possibilities and check for parallel problems. The neighboring tone is one of the least interesting non-chordal tones because it doesn't go anywhere. It is quite useful in combination with a passing tone. Most, but not all, chord progressions will allow either a passing tone or a neighboring tone. It then becomes easier to write a texture where chords change every beat and there is nearly a constant 8th note movement in one voice or another. And here is a good example of it.
If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.